all this stuff, right? So adjust it. You got to tighten the back too. Make sure you adjust this back however you want. And then the back of cameras will be the same thing. So once we have this set up, there's a lot of features you can do. Now let's set up our phone.
So here's the wiring and hardware that comes with the screen. You have the base bracket, just in case you want to install it on your dash, flat, or a suction cup on your window or even your dash. It does come with cables to power your camera. Here's the reverse camera. Has 2 screws to install to your trunk, and of course the power supply cable, which is a Type-C to your car. So here's the 9-inch display. If we turn it around, we can see that it has the power supply via a Type-C. You have the audio video in. You have a SD card slot. This screen does come with a 64GB SD card, so you can store your dash cam footage. So here it is installed. It was super simple, super easy. All I had to do was remove this adhesive. It does have 4 holes that you could screw on, but I won't be doing that. So in order to connect your car stereo, you're able to select the audio out. You could either do your speaker, FM, aux, and Bluetooth. I will be using FM frequency, so I have selected 88.3. Now I just tune into my radio, 288. So it's very simple. All you have to do is tap into the reverse light, and that is connected. So if I put the car in reverse, the back of camera will turn on. So here we have the footage. I connected the micro SD card to my computer. I was parked during this filming, but let's say you were in an accident, this would more than likely catch it, be able to review the footage and use it for whatever purpose.
All right, let's take a look at the CarPlay right now, indoors. All right, right now, if you guys can see it, it's recording in the back right now. It has any kind of motion movement, but you can see the blinking here. Now we're gonna go home on this one, all right? Because I'm gonna show you more of the actual mobile link that you can do on your phone. We are gonna sync up our phone into the actual system, and of course you could go back, go replay. On the replay, you're able to capture and transfer everything, all this video from where I was recording from. Look at this, all this is within the actual system itself that I recorded. We have options here. We could go CarPlay, and I'm connecting right now, and there it is. So here, I'm connecting directly into my system. I'm gonna block out because I'm not gonna show you the address or anything or any of the maps, but you could open applications. Let me go to applications. So these are all the apps that I currently have in my phone, and I'm able to sync up my messages, review my cameras from within. But you have your map system, your Google Assist works with it, all the apps are included with it, 2 types of camera, front camera and rear camera.